Hello guys, it's brand new day. We have Kia Picanto and I will show you how to fix the leak in the fuel pump. Because maybe you will encounter this issue. This is common in most of the Picanto. In case you encounter this one, so you will have an idea. If you can see, the tank have leak underneath. So now I opened this cover and found out that the fuel pump plate is leaking, but my fuel pump is still in good condition. So I buy a new fuel pump cover, the plate, because my fuel pump is still in good condition, so no need to change the full assembly. So I hope this video will help you a lot. Let's go. As you can see, there's a crack on the tube, plastic tube. Now I already buy the fuel filter plate, fuel pump, fuel assembly, plate assembly fuel pump. You will see. This is the one who's leaking there. Because my fuel pump is still working nice and good, so no need to change the assembly. So I just buy the cover, the plate assembly fuel pump. So let's get started. But first, before anything else, we need to disconnect the negative side of the battery. Okay. Okay, so we can now start, but first better you need to unplug this one, and I will clean first this one, so to prevent this dirt from going inside the tank. Okay, first need to unplug this one. To unplug, you need to press this one like this. Okay, so now it's unplugged. I will now clean this one. Now it's already clean. You need to unplug this hose and this one. There's a lock here. This one removed. Now I already removed this one. See, there's lock here. You need to press this one, so you can remove the lock. Next is you need to press the clamp using the long nose plier, and then remove it. In case you don't have the tools for removing this one, you can use a hammer and a flat screwdriver, and in this case it's not very tight, so I can remove it. Yeah, it's already loose. But I need the towel to remove. No, it's kind of hard. Need to make hammer again. Need to remove this one. First we need to wipe this one, because maybe there's a chance that the dust will go inside. This is it.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is the fuel filter. Yeah, fuel pump. Oh, yo, there's a rubber. Yes. And the floater also. It's full. It's full. Need to be careful. Yeah. Okay. This is the full assembly of fuel pump. I think better remove this one. 3 lock. Oh yo. Need to remove it at the same time. It's a little bit hard. Yeah. Okay. The spring should be here. And then we need to remove this socket. Yeah, it's 2. I think 1 for the fuel pump, 1 for the fuel gauge. It's a bit hard to press. Yeah, now it's all removed. The damage is the crack here. Okay, so now we will transfer this one. We need to clean first. Okay, stop. Now guys, this is the brand new part. This is the part number. See, if you want to order it online or you want to buy this one, need to open. So in case the problem for your Picanto is only this one, there's crack here or leaking there, you can change only this cover, this plate. No need full assembly, especially if your pump is still in good condition. So now let's fix. First, don't forget to put this one, the rubber, and then make sure the spring should go here inside like this. And then the small socket first, the back, the big socket. Okay, there you align the spring and then push. Okay, yeah, make sure all is lock, the spring is aligned. Okay, so we can now fix it back to the tank. First we will put inside the floater like this. Be careful of the arrow, should be facing there. Okay, the rubber seal should compress inside. Yes. And then push it. This one is facing front like that. So now we can put the lock now. Okay. Make sure you're here. This one inside. This is the return. Okay. That's all.
سيارة يجي
So now
يروح
it's finished.
البيت.
For this first time, there's no petrol inside.
اوكي
So
إذا ما
you need
في
to
نظر في ترتيب.
first turn on without starting it.
انت ما يشوف وين دخل سيارات داخل هذا
We will check.
قدام سيارة روح يجي يفتح ولا واحد ما يجي يفتح
There's no leak. There's anything.
اوكي نو
Off. Turn on again. So the pump will work. Mataan. And then start. Start natin.
No working like that.
Now okay. Because in the first time there's no fuel in the line. Now it's working. There's no leak. I don't know if you hear, the pump is working now. There's no leak. Thank you for watching.